If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 34.
In this lesson, we will learn الفعل المضارع المعروف, present and future tense, active voice, verb. So, الفعل المضارع is present and future tense verb. It is one verb acting for present and future tense. الفعل المضارع, present and future tense verb. المعروف is active voice, where the fa'il or the subject is known. المعروف, where the fa'il or the subject is known. المعروف, active voice. So let's look at the rules. The reverse form of الفعل المضارع, as they were in the past tense verb. And we studied in the past tense verb, they had different forms. And الفعل المعروف are those verbs in which fa'il or the doer is known. So معروف are those verbs in which fa'il or the doer is known. And in Arabic, as we learned, each verb form is called Sigha. And there are 14 Sigha in فعل المضارع as well. In الفعل المضارع, there could be three persons in a conversation. First person, second person, third person. First person, the one who is speaking. It is called mutakallim. The second person is the one who you are speaking to. It's also called hadir. And third person is the one about whom you are speaking. It is called ghaib. For example, we have three persons, Khalid, Hamid, and Mahmoud. Khalid is talking to Hamid about Mahmoud. So Khalid is first person, Hamid is second person, Mahmoud is third person. So first person is mutakallim, second person is hadir, third person is ghaib. If it is one person, it's called wahid. If it is two persons, tathniya. And if it is more than two persons, jam'a. It's called jam'a. And if that is male, it's called mudhakkar. And if it is female, it is mu'annath. So let's look at the 14 sigha of fi'lu madari. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. So fi'lu madari work for present tense and future tense. We will know by the context. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. It is wahid mudhakkar ghaib. Yani the person you are speaking about is male. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. Yaf'alani, they both do or they both will do. Istathniya mudhakkar ghaib. The people you are speaking about are male and there are two. Yaf'alani, they both will do and they both do. Yaf'aluna, they all do or they all will do. Yaf'aluna, they all do or they all will do. Jam'a mudhakkar ghaib. So the people you are speaking about, there are more than two persons and they are male. Yaf'aluna, they all do or they all will do. Taf'alu, she does or she will do. Taf'alu, she does or she will do. Wahid mu'annas ghaib. The person you are speaking about is one person female. Taf'alu, she does or she will do. Taf'alani, they both do or they both will do. Taf'alani, they both do or they both will do. Tathniya mu'annath ghaib. The persons you are speaking about are females and they are two. Taf'alani, they both do or they both will do. Yaf'alna, they all do or they all will do. Yaf'alna, they all do or they all will do. Jam'a mu'annas ghaib. So the people you are speaking about are female and they are more than two. يفعلن, they all do or they all will do. تفعل, you do or you will do. تفعل, you do or you will do. واحد مذكر حاضر, the person you are speaking to, it is one person male. You do or you will do. تفعل, you do or you will do. تفعلان, you both do or you both will do. تفعلان, you both do or you both will do. تثنية مذكر حاضر, when the persons you are speaking to are males and there are two. تفعلان, you both do or you both will do. تفعلون, you all do or you all will do. تفعلون, you all do or you all will do. جمع مذكر حاضر, the persons you are speaking to are male and there are more than two. تفعلون, you all do or you all will do. تفعلين, you do or you will do. تفعلين, you do or you will do. واحد مؤنث حاضر, the person you are speaking to is female and she is one. تفعلين, you do or you will do. تفعلان, you both do or you both will do. تفعلان, you both do or you both will do. تثنية مؤنث حاضر, the persons you are speaking to are females and they are two. تفعلان, you both do, you both will do. تفعلنا, you all do or you all will do. تفعلنا, you all do or you all will do. جمع مؤنث حاضر, the persons you are speaking to are females and they are more than two. تفعلنا, you all do or you all will do. أفعل, I do or I will do. أفعل, I do or I will do. واحد مذكر ومؤنث متكلم, the person who is speaking could be male or female and this one person. أفعل, I do or I will do. نفعل, we do or we will do. نفعل, we do or we will do. جمع مذكر ومؤنث متكلم, the persons who are speaking are more than one. نفعل, we do or we will do, could be male or female. نفعل, we do or we will do. So let's review. يفعل, he will do. So we will only translate the future tense. يفعل, he will do. يفعلان, they both will do. يفعلان, they both will do. يفعلون, they all will do. يفعلون, they all will do. تفعل, she will do. تفعلان, they both will do. تفعلان, they both will do. يفعلن, they all will do. يفعلن, they all will do. تفعل, you will do. تفعل, you will do. تفعلان, you both will do. تفعلون, you all will do. تفعلان, you all will do. تفعلين, you will do. تفعلين, you will do. تفعلان, you both will do. تفعلان, you both will do. تفعلن, you all will do. تفعلن, you all will do. أفعل, I will do. نفعل, we will do. And these are all 14 صيغة فعل مضارع. So let's learn how to memorize them. يفعل, يفعلان, يفعلون, they are for male. So يفعل, he will do. يفعلان, they both will do. يفعلون, they all will do. So that's how you memorize. يفعل, يفعلان, يفعلون. يفعل, يفعلان, يفعلون. In your mind, the translation should be there. يفعل, he will do. يفعلان, they both will do. يفعلون, they all will do. So يفعل, يفعلان, يفعلون. So this is for male. And once you memorize this, then you go ahead. تفعل, تفعلان, يفعلن. تفعل, she will do. تفعلان, they both will do. يفعلن, they all will do. تفعل, تفعلان, يفعلن. تفعل, تفعلان, يفعلن. So when this is memorized, you go to the second. تفعل, تفعلان, تفعلون. تفعل, تفعلان, تفعلون. تفعل, you will do. تفعلان, you both will do. تفعلون, you all will do. So these are for males. And after تفعلين, تفعلان, تفعلن, these are for females. تفعلين, you will do. تفعلان, you both will do. تفعلن, you all will do. So تفعلين, تفعلان, تفعلن. So when this is memorized, and you go to the next. أفعل, نفعل. أفعل, I will do. نفعل, we will do. it is for mutakalim, the person who's speaking, could be male or female. Af'alu, I will do. Naf'alu, we will do. So that's how you memorize the whole thing. Yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, yaf'alna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, taf'aluna. Taf'alina, taf'alani, taf'alna. Af'alu, naf'alu. So once this is memorized, inshallah, in the future, things will be very easy. And we can put different verb on these buttons and we'll give out the sigha.
This is it for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.